Hi, today I'll show you guys how to insert two columns in your form in JotForm. So let's get started. So here we have an example form that we have some field added, but we haven't added any columns yet. So there are two methods to do this. The first thing we need to do is by using the properties inside of each element. So for example here, I click the name element and I'll go into properties, then in advanced. If we scroll down here, we will see this option right here say shrink. So let's click that and you'll automatically see that just shrunk to half of the form. See it? And just took it up to the next available spot, right? So basically that's the first method. That's how you shrink it. So now let's go to another method. So let's head into the form designer. Scroll down and you will see advanced designer. So tap it and this will open up the theme. Yeah. In this section, we can view the options also to edit the rows and add more rows. Just click the form layout right about here and enable the form columns. And here you go. And now here we can edit the number of rows. So you see, that's basically how you insert columns in a form with JotForm. So thanks for watching, and if you like what you've seen, check out the product links below in the description. When you click one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you.